Experience the height of outdoor entertaining with a stainless steel BBQ or pizza oven from Wild West Charcoal and Seasoning, seamlessly integrated into a beverage cart from Prairie Golf Supplies. Picture sizzling hot pizzas or perfectly grilled favorites emerging alongside your favorite cold drinks, all in one convenient place. This is more than just a cart. It's luxury service at your fingertips, combining culinary delights with refreshing beverages. Perfect for gatherings, parties, or out on the course, it transforms any event into a memorable gourmet experience. Turn this concept into reality. Contact Wild West Charcoal and Seasoning, Wiebert1974@gmail.com. Speak to Walter. Visit the Wild West Charcoal and Seasoning website to view all their products. WildWestCharcoal.com. Purchase the beverage cart from Prairie Golf Supplies. 204-745-9460 and speak to Wayne. Wayne at prairiegolfsupplies.com. Visit Prairie Golf's website, prairiegolfsupplies.com, and take home your cart today.